Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how I do my half cornrow, half single braids in the back. Been wearing my hair straight for the last 2 weeks, and I just washed my hair, conditioned it, put like 4 jumbo twists in it, put a puff in it today. So let's go ahead and get this party started. I always start my protective hairstyles off with Amia Renee whipped shea butter. Keep my hair nice and moisturized wise in this protective hairstyle. This is AMALISE 100% Haitian castor oil. It's really thick and it smells so good. Some less jam, extra whole. 1 pack of the red hair, which is BG. And 1 pack of off black 1B. I'm only going to use 1 portion of each pack of hair, not the whole pack.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having you kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. To believe and
y'all, I'm so trifling. I supposed to came back and show y'all my hair, but this is my hair. It's been, hold on. Had this in for about a week and a half. Still look pretty good, but I'm about to take them out. So let me show you how they look real quick. Just cornrow at the front. Try to do a little design over here with my single braids in the back. Let me get a little closer for y'all. They actually look really, every time I do this, I'm getting ready to take my hair out, I'm like, oh, it don't look too bad. Lay my edges down. But I did a pretty good job. I'm just ready to take them out. Sorry I didn't come back sooner like I said I would, but life was life, okay?